Yet another product leak from DJI. Are they losing control, or is this all planned? Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON. Now, just literally a few hours ago, new photos have leaked of what looks to be the next in the Mavic 2 model range, called the DJI Mavic Enterprise. The form factor is basically the same as the Mavic 2, the photos that leaked earlier. We still don't know if they're legitimate, but we think they are, and this model would appear to be a slight variance on that. The key differences with this Enterprise model is the red banding around the arms, which might be the new insignia for their Enterprise range. In addition, in the two photos, you'll also notice that they both have an attachment on top of the drone. So the Enterprise model probably has some sort of accessory port that the regular model doesn't feature. Now, interestingly, Unique, the drone manufacturer, were looking to be pretty good competitors for DJI a few years ago, but they pulled back from the consumer drone market to focus more on the enterprise sector. This new prosumer enterprise drone from DJI might be DJI's attempt to even get into that space as well. Now, we don't know what these two attachments actually do, we can only speculate, but comment below with your thoughts. We'll first look at the larger of the two attachments. If you look at the base, it's clearly tiltable forwards and backwards, so you can point it up or down. Now, at first glance, it does look like a speaker, but I find it unlikely that they'll be using a drone for a PA system, largely because that would have to overcome the sound of the rotors, and also with the whole concept of not flying drones close to people, it probably wouldn't have enough power to emit any sort of audio signal at that range. The next theory is that it's some sort of advanced sonar add-on. That would allow the Mavic to do some advanced 3D mapping by flying around and using a sonar to actually map an area or a building or an object. Beyond that, we're not really sure, so we're looking forward to your thoughts. Do comment below. The next attachment is much lower profile and it doesn't tilt or move from what we can see. However, on top there appears to be what looks like an IR dome. Now, you see these domes often on any device that receives an IR signal, not emits it, and the reason for that kind of 360-degree glass-like appearance is so that it can receive signals from all around. However, again, it's mounted on top of the drone, therefore anything emitting below it or even to the slightly below the side of it is not going to be picked up, so that's perhaps also unlikely. One other possibility is that it's a light, a flashing beacon of some sort. The slight yellow tinge in there could be an indication of an LED bulb. One other theory I've got is that it's a very powerful IR LED bulb, and you'd use that for lighting up an area so that a special IR sensitive camera can essentially see in the dark. This is all speculation at the moment, we've just got photos, nothing more, so do comment below with your thoughts. One other final thing to note is what looks like a black Mavic Pro in the background. Now, obviously they never released a black Mavic Pro. It looks really, really nice. What a shame they didn't. Now onto the timing of these leaks. Now, clearly they're not going to be announcing anything anytime soon because they cancelled their event. But these leaks do seem to be flowing out quite regularly at the moment. We had one just a week ago and this second one now. If these leaks aren't intentional, then DJI need to be far more careful about who they're sending these prototype or beta units to. They should of course be sending them all to me instead. A few interesting drones have appeared recently, the Parrot Anafi and also the Autel Evo. Possibly DJI decided to cancel the launch event of the Mavic 2 so that they can make refinements and perhaps add some additional functionality. So perhaps on the other hand, these leaks are intentional and they're to keep the market excited. That's all we've got for now anyway. As soon as we find anything else, we'll bring it to you via this channel. In the meantime, comment below, give this video a thumbs up, share it, and click subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks very much for watching.